I'll guide you through the latest process for splitting bills on Revolut, from dividing a single lunch transaction to managing entire group holidays with the new Group Bills web profile. If you're ready, click the subscribe button. Let's get started. To begin, open your Revolut app and tap on a specific transaction from your home screen or history that you want to split with friends. Tap the Split Bill button located right at the top of the transaction details page to begin the process. Select your friends from your Revolut contacts. To switch from an even split to a custom split, adjust the portions by tapping on an individual's amount, which is perfect for when one person didn't order drinks. To ensure the app correctly calculates how much your friends owe you without including your own portion in the request, toggle the Include My Share button. Tap Continue to send the request. If your friends are on Revolut, they will receive an instant notification to pay you back in a single tap. Create a group bill from the Payments tab for ongoing expenses like household utilities or a group vacation to keep a running tally of who owes what. Share the group bills link with friends who don't have a Revolut account, allowing them to join the group via groupbills.revolut.com to track expenses on the web. Check your Activity tab to see real-time updates as your friends settle their shares, with funds landing directly in your account in your preferred currency. If you have any queries or input, comment below and I'll respond. Click this card for a curation of our best video tutorials and check the description below for more. Thanks for watching.